Oh, hey there. You think I've changed the content of the channel? No. Well, not yet at least. But it is an interesting game actually. A little bit old, I know. But as they say, old is gold. For me, it is the best edition of the sequel. I mean, the story, the protagonist, the gameplay, and the graphics. Regarding to the era, they were incredibly amazing. Look at the details here. Piazza del Duomo, Cattedrale Santa Maria del Fiore. Such a masterpiece. An interesting fact about this game. After the Cathedral of Notre Dame was under fire accidentally in 2019, they used the existing structure of the game Assassin's Creed Unity to make the restoration works and make it at its previous condition. They really care about the historical places and the details in this game. However, I am Nils from Decorazione, and today I will talk about the gaming and the setups. Today's episode is going to be easy and simple, no complicated rules or too much information, and I will divide the topic into two parts. The first one is what is the recommended conditions to have better experiment, healthier attempt, and functional using in your gaming setup. And the second one will be some notes and add-ons to lend an aesthetic touch in your setup. Nowadays 95% of gaming experiment we are having it with sitting situation, regardless to the console we use. So how should I say, if I am a PC gamer for example, or not necessarily a gamer, the notes I will mention are also for designers, coders, or whatever office work you do. First of all, your head should be against a headrest, and the top side of your monitor should be on the same level of your eyes, and for the distance between your eyes and the monitor should be no less than 20 inches or 50 centimeters. Your elbows are bent like approximately 90 degrees. The legs and the thighs must be clearly free under the desk. Now, if you are someone sitting against the computer for a long time, so absolutely you know that the most sensitive points of your body, which could be affected by long duration of sitting, are the neck and the low back. So to reduce the risk and the damage, keep your head back and your chin tucked so your ears are on the same line of your shoulder, and recline your back of the seat between 90 to 120 degrees and keep your back pressed against the chair. Now, if you are another console gamer like PlayStation, Xbox or Nintendo, so the best choice for you is the puffy seats with a rest cushions to rest your legs. Generally, the puffy couch are the best choice because this kind of consoles depends on co-gaming and playing with friends. Now, if that is not a priority for you, so I recommend the Poeng chair from IKEA. You would not believe how good it is until you try it. So what if I want to have the VR experiment or seating into the metaverse? For that reason, make your best to choose a seat, filling at most 10% of the full total space. You don't want to end up stumbled hitting some furniture pieces or maybe some walls. Those were few tips about the gamer's health, but what about the device? And the device health, did you know that a decent amount of games lagging and freezing issues caused by the device temperature and its overheating, especially when it comes to the personal computer. Now many people making a humongous investment in cooling equipments, either air cooling, water cooling, or customized cases, and they are mostly expensive equipment. So before going that way and spending that amount of money, adjust your desk or console to make your device self-cool. Don't hide it in some kind of cabinet. And believe me, cleaning the dust of the device is way easier than having a lagged game without knowing the reason. Now, as I said, keep the device revealed. Absolutely. Keep the cables hidden. Tighten them up and attach them on the back side of the desk, or simply use the plastic coverages. To do that, the revealed cables are our nemesis, us, the designers. Now for walls and the light's color. It is absolutely optional. That depends on the taste and the preference. Dark color for the walls is a nice option, like a black, dark gray, or maybe violet. Now, if you are a streamer or a gaming content creator, you absolutely need some kind of walls sound diffuser. Nowadays, it comes with a nice decorative shapes. But I have a trick for you to reduce the noise without going over budget. Fix an amount of fabrics and sponges on the corners of the room and use a fine thick rug on the floor. That will be functionally enough with a low budget. For lights, go with LED pieces, and don't forget the glowing decoration. And several options we have today, like the stripes, bulbs, and etc. Just make sure that the screen light is not the only light you are having during the playing, because it is a big risk and harmful for your eyes.
Everybody is happy. Sha-la-la. I gotta walk forever for this one. Ah! No, senoritas everywhere. Oh my god.
Try to consider fixing a couple sets of shelves. Functionally and decoratively they are useful. You can put on them some trophies, mini figures of game iconic characters, or a FIFA card maybe. Like it or not, gaming is a part of our lives today, and there are careers built on gaming and esports. If you are an entertainment seeker or maybe a professional gamer, just make sure to do it right, healthy, eye-catching, and not tedious. Now, if you are living in one of these listed countries, so you have the chance to do that if you contact me on Instagram to have the best experience and the finest gaming room. Something like this or this. And get the designs and the consultation for free if you execute the room with us. That's all I have today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Have a nice day and observe well.